Another guy stuck. He can't even move his van, and he's just spinning along with his kid in the car. These are parents trying to take their kids to school. Dude, like, let yourself go back and then turn. Yeah, just like that. This shit is crazy. There you go. But if you let yourself go back and then turn, oh, there he goes. He caught the little vein. So now he's going up somewhat. Damn. No four-wheel drive. All right, there he goes. He's spun and he's spinning, but he's actually getting somewhere. All he's got to do is get his grip. Oh my God. He's spinning. Four-wheel drive.